crisp, heart-shaped sugar cookies with icing. Let's walk through it together. This dude bakes. First, take 3/4 of a cup of shortening and 1 cup of sugar. Put it in your mixer and beat it until it's light and fluffy. Next, you want to add your 2 eggs and your 1/2 teaspoon of orange extract and make sure that's blended well. When it's blended well, add all of your dry ingredients. 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And add it slowly to your mixer while your mixer is going on a slow speed. Make sure it's blended well. Once you have it mixed, you want to take it out of your mixer and put it in plastic wrap. Wrap it up and put it in your refrigerator for about 2 hours to chill. Once your dough is chilled, flour your counter surface and roll your dough out to about 1/4 of an inch down to 1/8 of an inch, according to whatever thickness you like it. Then take your heart-shaped cutter, cut out your cookies, and take a smaller cutter and cut out half of those cookies, the middle of about half of those cookies. Then you can get all your cookies on a sheet pan lined with paper. And bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 7 to 9 minutes, or until they're just lightly brown. And one thing I failed to mention earlier in the video is when you chill your dough in the refrigerator, that is the chance for you to make your pink buttery decorator icing while that dough is chilling in the refrigerator. And I will have a video on that, and I will put a link in the description of this video for the pink buttery decorator icing. So when your cookies are cooled enough, you can make yourself a decorating bag out of paper, or you can use even plastic bags like Ziploc bags. Fill it up with icing like you see here, and cut the tip off about that size, and then you can fill your cookies like you see me doing here. Go around in heart shape. Put the top layer on, and then take your icing and fill the heart shape in the middle. And take some red colored sprinkles or colored sugar and put it right on that heart shape in the middle for the last part of your decoration. And there we have it, folks.